Let's talk about how to set Notepad++ as a default editor on Windows 10. There are two ways to do this. Let's start. The first method is I have a file over here. It's a txt file, the text file. So I'm gonna right click on it and I'm gonna go to properties. Under general tab, here we have opens with Notepad. Alright, the default Windows 10 program is Notepad. We're gonna change that. Here we got Notepad++, or we can go for more apps. So I already have Notepad++, so I'm gonna click on it, then select OK, apply it, and OK, and it's done. Now the second method is directly through Notepad++. So I'm gonna right click on Notepad++ and I'm gonna go to run as administrator and click on OK or yes. And here I'm in Notepad++, and then I'm gonna go to settings, preferences. Here I need to find file association, and here I have different supported extensions are generally file formats or file extensions. So here we have different categories such as Notepad, I got Java, C, WebScript, public script, and different other things here. So I'm gonna go to Notepad and select txt file, and I'm gonna click on this right arrow and it's gonna add .txt file on the registered extensions box. So if I want to remove this, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna press the back button over here. I don't know what they call it. So that's how we remove the default extension. And to add the extension, we just need to click on it and choose the arrow that puts the extension on the registered extension box. Also, I'm gonna go to WebScript and I'm gonna select the HTML and I'm gonna add it here. I also got CSS files and I'm gonna add to the registered extension. And if I want to add a custom extension, I can just go to customize and add a extension like .tmb. Let's say for example it's a custom extension you just created, and then I'm gonna click on this button over here and it's gonna set it as a default. And now the last method is through the settings. To open the settings, press Windows+I. This will launch the settings window, and then we need to go to apps. Under apps we got default apps. We need to click on that and scroll down. Here we got choose default apps by file type, and now I'm gonna find the file type that I want to modify. So I'm gonna go to .txt and I'm gonna scroll all the way down here, txt. Here we have txt. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna change to Notepad, and in the same way I'm gonna change this to Notepad++. So that's basically how you set Notepad++ as a default editor or program on Windows 10. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.